Guys, you are welcome back to this baby girl's channel. You guys, today I want to unbox this new blender. Yeah, I have a blender before here, but guys, I went to the mall, I saw this blender and I said let me get more blender and add to my existing blender. One blender is not serving me, that's the truth. So guys, this morning I want to unbox this blender. I thought this is going to be a powerful blender, and this is Sanford products power blender, guys. Okay, yeah. So I said let me check it out. We are going to unbox this blender and we are going to test this blender together. I will be blending, so I will be making a juice with this pineapple. Yeah, I want to take pineapple juice this morning. Yeah, they said that this blender, that it crushes ice and all that, that is a mechanical power blender. I don't know if it's true, so I said let's check it out together. If it's nice, you can go get one for yourself. So that's the essence of unboxing videos. When we test a product and it's good, we recommend it so that you too can benefit from it. So you can see this 100% copper motor, okay, variable speed control and bus, multifunctional, heavy duty motor, is heavy duty, guys, oven heat protection, 2.0 liter capacity. Yeah, so guys, this is it, and I can't wait to open this. And trust me, we are making this juice together, so let's try it out and see if all these qualities is what it possesses. Let's go. Guys, I don't know who else is on this table with me. Yeah, I'm a fan of kitchen accessories. Like, I don't joke with getting kitchen accessories. Anywhere I see one, I grab it. So guys, our blender is open. This is the manual. Okay, I will read that later. What we have. So this is the base. That's the cover. This is this thing. You can see the under. Okay, you can see that. So this is, they say this is unbreakable, so it's not breakable. So guys, that's the cover. That's the cover. That's to help it. Maybe you want to like, it depends on what you are crushing. You want to use it, you can use it this way to crush. So guys, let's bring out the motor now. This is the engine, guys, the motor. The engine is out, so nothing is inside again. I keep that there. Guys, look at that. Can you guys see the engine? Oh shit, but so can you guys see that's the engine? It said on, off. This is the power. From low to high, you can increase the distance. They say clean. I don't know what this clean is. Off and on. On. So you guys, let's go into making the juice. I've read the manual and I think we can proceed now. Let's see how this is gonna work. Let's check it out.
So good in me, I know it, but I misunderstood. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live till I die. I gotta rest, I don't know I could. for today. Did what I had to do, and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Cheap thrills, cheap tricks. Woo! It seems like the way to live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should tick-tock? I got a rails, I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm misunderstood. A feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. I got a rails, 'cause I've done all I could, and nothing of reach, and I don't feel like I should. A feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take a tick-tock? Said I should be a big shot. 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 But I'm misunderstood. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. I gotta rest, I done all I could, nothing to reach, and I don't feel like I should. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie.
Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? This is Obenge. Let's test it. This is the real deal, people of God. So let's see. Let's see how smooth that's blended. You guys, that. Guys, this pineapple is so sweet. So smooth. Recommending this. Go get your own, guys. It's so amazing. Ah. So smooth, guys. I have watermelon to blend, but I don't have strength again. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. So guys, thank you for tuning in. So I recommend this blender, okay? Sanford. Go and get it. The wattage is 1600 watts. Yeah, you can see I didn't add any water, just my eyes. My eyes here. I still have some here. So I recommend this quickly, okay? So go get yours. If you watched it this moment, you are the real MVP. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.